How to recover deleted follow requests on Instagram. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, simply tap on the profile picture of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile area. Just let you know, Instagram does not offer a direct way to recover deleted follow requests, but we have some workarounds here. All you have to do is, now, once on your profile, simply tap on the three dash at the top right corner of your screen. Then inside settings and privacy, tap on account center at the top. Now scroll down and tap on your information or permissions option available there. Now, once done so, tap on the download option available at the top. Then again tap on the download or transfer option available there. Then tap on the all available information. Then tap on the download again. Now once done so, all you have to do is tap on the create files option available there. Since we are downloading all the information of your Instagram from the date range provided by you here, you can also change that. So the follow request might also be included here. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.